Global warming is a very serious issue as the buildup of gases could lead to the degradation of the atmosphere, basically the stratosphere, and hence this may cause problem of the ozone layer depletion.
Global warming is the increase in temperature because of the pollution which is increasing, and it's because of the greenhouse gases which get trapped and directly which is not being able to go outside the atmosphere.
Yeah, it is actually very serious now because one thing is we are not knowing how much carbon dioxide is emitting into the environment, and once carbon monoxide emission is take place, one is greenhouse gas, accumulation of greenhouse gas, then greenhouse effect. Because of the greenhouse effect, what happens there is its impact on the human beings and the plants, especially this productivity decreases. So probably at the larger scale, actually it is a very negative trend. There are some references in England, actually, where the smog it has been covered over a period of time, so that the normal life has been get affected because of that. The temperature fall. So all those things are happening. So it especially major contribution of this carbon monoxide to the environment comes from the developed countries. But these developed countries actually imposing on the carbon dioxide emission check on the developing nations, and now they are telling that the developing nations has to bring down their carbon dioxide emission to the environment. So for that they are actually offering some what we call carbon rationing. Whatever the country which actually releases less carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide to the environment will be given as an incentive in United Nations and like that. But these developed countries have to check the carbon dioxide emission into some eco-friendly. They have to adapt some eco-friendly technologies so that their carbon dioxide emission to the environment will actually bring down. So my suggestion in bringing down the global warming, one thing is we have to popularize the renewable resource of energy in our day-to-day life, and we have to find some alternative technologies for our energy needs. And the thing is strict implementation of eco-friendly technology for treatment of the industries which are releasing high amount of carbons in the developed countries. So there is some vigilance at global level by United Nations for developing countries where they bring down the carbon dioxide level to the environment. So in that way we can save the Mother Earth by its negative effect which caused by majorly carbon resources.
Definitely global warming is a very serious issue, I don't think, but then it's having a very serious implications on this earth where we all live in. We have, in fact, by looking at the statistics which has been there, at the end of 2005, it has been actually seen that there's an increase in the global temperature of approximately about 1 degrees centigrade. Now the implications, what I can think of is, melting of ice, okay, that's happening because of that 1 degree rise in temperature. So, the Himalayan glaciers, they are moving down, and, the sea levels are rising, because of all this. So, there is a chance that we could face a natural calamity if the things are not taken seriously. There's a chance that it could be flooded. We have heard of tsunami happening a few years back. So many people have lost their lives. Now, why tsunami occurred? It was for a different reason, fine. But such kind of floodings, cyclones could happen if we do not really check on the global warming.